Hi, in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to buy Robux. So first of all, and of course, all you need to do, just go and if you have first of all the Roblox application or the Roblox player on your PC, that will be great. But if you don't have it, you will need first of all to go and open the browser that you are currently using. And of course, just go to the URL section and type roblox.com. When you enter that website, you'll need to log in into your account if you have an account. But if you don't have an account, you'll need to simply create an account. Of course, you can create an account with just provide them with some simple information, just like the date of birth, maybe your username and the password of that account, and you will be good to start. So once you actually created your account, just log in into it and you will actually find the download a link from there. Of course, just download it and install it in your PC. So of course, there is even an option to buy it on your website. So of course, if you just open your browser and go to roblox.com, if you're logged into your account, you can buy the Robux from there. And the other option, if you have it downloaded the Roblox player on your PC, you will find this. Once we actually open this, you'll need first of all to log in into your account. To find this home screen, you'll find here the games that you already played, or games that's suggested to you. Of course, you may have different games than me. So of course, if you want to buy Robux from here, simply you'll need just to go to the username at the top right corner and click at the icon at the right of it. So from there, you will have here different options. If you want to buy the Robux, as you can see, you have several options. Of course, there is the Robux package and you can just subscribe and get more. So of course, maybe if you subscribe with them, you'll get here 40 or 550 per month, here 1000, 2200, and those are not available for the moment. So of course, simply you'll need just to click at the thing that you want to add, and of course you'll need here to choose the payment method, and of course just enter your card information or your PayPal information or whatever else you have here, and of course you will be good to go. So that's actually for this tutorial. I hope you like it. Thank you guys for watching, and goodbye.